Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. And I've been shopping. I went to my local Dollar Tree store hoping to see if some of their Easter items are placed out on the shelves a little early. And they did have a few, so let me show you what I found. This is cardboard Easter bunnies and they're really cute. They've got little bows on them and little, looks like cotton balls for their little rumps and everything. And they're all strung together. So you could use it as a garland to hang it across a shelf. The reason why I bought this is I wasn't going to use it for that. I was getting ready to create something like this shape of a bunny. When I saw this and I thought, oh, I don't have to figure it out and create it myself. I can use this as a template. Now I'm probably going to make it a little larger. So I will be coming out with a tutorial in the future with a bunny similar to this shape. I mainly went to Dollar Tree to look for the little Easter grass, and they did have some. And this has three colors. It has green, yellow, and kind of a purplish color or rose color. I am making an Easter basket out of fabric, and I wanted to use this in that tutorial. These are eggs, and I used some of these a year ago in some projects I was working on, and so I wanted to get a few more, so I was really glad to see that they had these out on the shelves. Now it was still early. The shelves were still pretty much empty in the Easter section, but they still had enough to help me get going. Here are little eggs on a stick. They're little styrofoam eggs. And I also, what I did with these last year when I used them, I went around to some of my vases and stuck these inside so it gave kind of a spring Easter feel to my room. I thought these pastel painted wooden beads were so pretty, and I don't see these very often. You don't get a lot, but you can get some thin twine and string these, and then on let's say a wall hanging that you're making, you could string it on there and then use it to hang that wall hanging onto your wall. This was something else I also had similar to last year, and I really liked it because you can attach these to on the outside of your basket just to add a little bit of a garnish to your projects. If you're creating any kind of basket, Easter basket, or anything else where you would like a lot of colorful things, this was really neat. This is another big giant styrofoam egg with some little sparkly things on it. I'm not quite sure what it is. But you can also hang it. So you can hang it on a little knob or a little hook on the wall. Maybe make a bow to attach to it and make it a really nice little decorative piece to your room. Now you can never have too much ribbon because you don't get a lot on these spools. By the time you make one little bow, you've pretty much used it up. So I'm really happy that their ribbon is still pretty reasonable. I think it's $1.29 now there. They are carrying other items in their store that are more than $1.29. It's because I think it's just that things have gotten so expensive that they've had to raise prices on certain things. But the ribbon is still reasonably priced, and it's really fun to make some decorative bows for your wreaths, basket, or anything else you want to put them on. Well, I hope you enjoyed this shopping haul as much as I did. Try checking out Dollar Tree if you've never been in one. It is inexpensive, but be careful not to overbuy. If you decide you aren't going to use something, you can't take it back. So make sure you understand what you're going to be doing with it. Have a plan when you go in there and a list. And again, don't overbuy. Now, if you're interested in beginners sewing projects, I will have some links down below your YouTube screen in the description section. So scroll down till you see the word more. Click on it and that section will expand open and you will see a variety of links appearing. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and make sure you check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl, this is Manny, and this is Scotty. See you next time.